NJERI wa MUIGAI wa NJOROGE nĩ eyumĩrĩtie na kũhithũria moritũ marĩa akoretwo akĩgerera for the last 15 years rĩrĩ arabanga kũrugũria program yake kana ministry yake ya Woman of Courage.
Hapo hivyo nimechini na Holy J.
Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J TV, are you holy?
Hello guys and welcome back. Now, mutumia wa mbere wa MUIGAI wa NJOROGE uria niwe NJERI wa MUIGAI wa NJOROGE eyumĩrĩtie na kũhithũria moritũ marĩa akoretwo akĩgerera mũtũrĩre-inĩ wake for the last 15 years. Harĩa augĩte nginya nĩ akoretwo ena depression nene mũno na silent battles iria akoretwo akĩrũana nacio. Na oho nĩ augĩte nĩ akoretwo na kahinda karĩa akoretwo na mbia nyingĩ mũno na kahinda karĩa atakoretwo na onaki. Kauga atĩ nĩ akoretwo mũkenu na mahinda mangĩ ena kieha kinene muno na horo cio ugagituika wa kumumiriria ngoro muno kuona ati ni overcome maundu macio mothe maundu maya mothe arauga riri arabanga igongona riake ria ku launch ministry aramita Woman of Courage iria arabanga ati ni akumiriria atumia aria mangikorwo makigerera mauritu muturire-ini wao. Ndumiriri-ini iria arekereirie mwena wa Facebook page yake uguo niguo augite ciegie maria agereire miaka iyo yothe na ciegie igongona riu arafanga. The birth of Woman of Courage ministry. For the last 15 years, I've been through a lot. Happiness, joy, pain, agony, ups and downs. Having so much money and lacking even a coin in my pocket. Sometimes, I would even have suicidal thoughts. I would lock myself crying day and night. Sometimes, I will be very happy and enjoy life to the fullest. I've fought silent battles that no one will understand, breaking down with no one to share with. But at the end of it all, I became a woman, the woman I am today. I thank God for the far He has brought me. And out of all this, God has put in my spirit a burden to start this program of encouraging those who are hurting and don't have anyone to talk to. I feel I need to be there for those suffering in silence because I've been there. I know the pain, I know the frustrations, I know one can do unbelievable acts due to heartaches. Yes, I know. I welcome you all to come and support me and start this ministry, and I know it's gonna help many out there. Mark the date, 15th December. Na mwirori uhoro uyu ni ututhurite ndereti nene muno kuria online andu makirwania hihi niki NJERI wa MUIGAI wa NJOROGE akoretwo akigerera exactly tondu ndagikoretwo akiuga exactly kiria akoretwo akigerera nangi makimumiriria ni gukorwo strong ona thengia ya moritu macio mothe. Mwirori ndiwe moni maku megie uhoro uyu, what do you think about this whole story ya mutumia wa mbere wa MUIGAI wa NJOROGE uria niwe NJERI wa MUIGAI wa NJOROGE? Unaweza comment hapo tuambie maoni yako kuhusu story. Tuendelee subscribe, like, share, comment, tuendelea kusonga vizuri. In the meantime, it's been your boy Holy J and adios. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.